stay in the right hand lane, stay in the right hand lane, okay. Left mirror, left indicator, and away. Before we go, can you tell me how you'd know if there was a problem with your ABS braking system?
It would show up on here, the red triangle, I think, yeah, with the brakes.
That's good enough, yeah. The warning light on the dashboard.
Yeah.
Cool, move away when ready, please. Any questions?
No, I think we're okay.
Cool. So,
wait,
look at that one.
Hello.
Right, cross fingers, hold tight.
Yeah. Do you need a pack of fags before we move on?
I'll start smoking. I've stopped smoking since 2 years now. For 2.5 years.
Find the bike point.
Now then, can you remember how the wipers work?
Yeah, flick up on this one, I think, yeah.
Down one click and it'll go constant for you.
Oh, that's it, down instead of up, yeah.
All cars are slightly different, aren't they, yeah?
Mine goes up, you see.
Okay. So we'll take the next turning on the left, please.
A few minutes later.
Now then, at the next roundabout, we're going to go straight ahead, second exit, into Vellinhelly, okay?
Okay.
Because of the conditions,
yeah,
we're doing everything a little bit earlier than normal, eh?
Yeah.
Put your right indicator on. No, that's your left. Put your right indicator on. Stay in the right hand lane. Stay in the right hand lane. Okay. Left mirror, left indicator, and away. The reason that happened, okay?
Yeah.
Any idea why?
No.
Right then, which way were we going on the roundabout supposed to be?
Second exit towards Vellinhelly.
Straight ahead, yeah?
Oh, was I in the wrong lane?
You approached in the right hand lane.
Sorry.
Which means you have to go right, okay? Now then, we always approach in the left hand lane.
Yeah.
So going left or straight ahead, anything before 12 o'clock on the clock face, anything after 12 o'clock, it's right hand lane, yeah? Right. Pop it to third gear, clutch down, straight ahead. Clutch back up, back on the gas. Leave it in third gear now until you're at least 45, okay?
Okay.
Don't change gear. Yeah, we had no option. Leave it. Now into fourth. That's it. Leaving it in gear a little bit longer as you're going uphill, yeah? So I had to take over then, simply because there was 2 lanes on the roundabout. There were cars around us. You approach in the right hand lane. I was hoping you were going to go right. Yeah? That's why I didn't say anything. Because it's okay to go the wrong way on your driving test, as long as you go the wrong way safely and legally, okay?
Sorry, that was my mistake in the wrong lane.
No shit, Sherlock. He's off a little bit because of him.
Oh yeah, 2 car lengths away.
In the wet, in the dry, yes. How many? It's not car lengths, it's seconds, yeah?
Yeah, but I count it as car lengths, you know.
Okay, so seconds, okay? So if you're doing 70 miles an hour on a motorway, is it 2 car lengths? The distance you got to leave.
I think so in a dry, yeah.
No, it's 2 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Because 2 car lengths is hardly anything when you're doing 70 miles an hour. It's plenty when you're doing 10 miles an hour. When you're going faster, 2 car lengths is nothing. Yeah. So 2 seconds is the amount of distance you travel in 2 seconds time, okay? So when that blue van passes that green sign, only a fool breaks the 2 second rule.
That's it, I remember you going over this with me.
And if there's water on the floor, make it 4. Right? So 4 whole seconds in the wet.
Water on the floor, make it 4.
4 seconds, that's it. Or you can just go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah? 4 whole seconds in the wet. How much of a time gap should you leave between us and that blue van in the wet?
4 seconds.
4 seconds. So when that blue van passes something, a sign or a tree or something, count, only a fool breaks the 2-second rule, and if there's water on the floor, make it 4. That's 4 seconds. Now then, we're going to go right, no we won't, same as the last roundabout. Which lane are you going to approach it?
Left hand, yeah.
That's right, unless road markings or signs say otherwise, yeah?
So we're going up towards the hospital?
That's correct. So if there's no arrows on the floor telling you to use the right lane, use the left one, okay?
Okay.
So going straight ahead, second exit. Or even straight ahead, first exit. Follow the road ahead. We're going to do lots of roundabouts now, straight aheads, okay? Now then, there are road markings on this particular one. We're going straight ahead, second exit, telling us we can use either lane. We're not going to use either lane, we're going to use the left lane, okay? Slow it down, because there isn't a slow tractor in front of us. Look over there. Look at your lane. That's it, you have got time. Keep it in your lane. And took him off. That's it, away. Now then, at the next roundabout, we're going to go right, third exit, okay? Towards its signposted Conway. Do you want me to talk you through it, or do you want to give it a go yourself?
I'll give it a go.
Okay, the only clue I'll give you then, okay? Yeah, is look at the signs and look at the road markings, okay?
Okay. Which way are we going again?
Towards Conway, right at the roundabout.
Okay.
At the roundabout, right, third exit, Conway.
Third exit, okay.
With an indicator would have been nice then.
Yeah.
So you're going right at the roundabout. Third exit. Nobody has any clue where you're going at the moment because you haven't told them. That's it. And coming off. That's the second exit. Left mirror, left indicator, left mirror once more for me, just for safety's sake. Cancel that indicator. We're going straight ahead of the roundabout. Second exit. Look at the sign, for Bangor, okay?
Okay.
Second exit. Look at the road markings. See the road markings?
Yeah.
Speed, gear. Look. Into first. Find the bike point. Hold it.
We're going this way, yeah?
Well, we are now. Which way were we supposed to go?
I can't remember.
Straight ahead at the roundabout. Second exit into second gear. That's it, clutch back up. On the gas. You're joining the A55. Put your foot down. I'll give you full talk through now. Indicate right for me. Now then, calm down. Leave it. Keep just gas. Start moving over. That's it. Checking the right mirror. Up into third gear now. Cancel that indicator. And we're coming off on the next exit. Get on that gas. Up into fourth gear, nice and slowly for me. Right then, we're taking the next exit off, okay? Wait until you see the green sign with 3 white marks. Just stay here. Stay at 50, you're okay. Keep it moving. There's the sign we're looking for, yeah?
Yeah.
What do we do there? That's it. Now, see that solid white line next to you?
Yeah.
Follow that white line, okay? Same as that silver car in front of us. 1, start braking now. Braking. That speed all the way down. Now then we need to merge with that traffic over there. So indicate right for me. slow it down, all the way down for me, into second gear. That's it, nice and calm. Bring in that clutch up, look in your right mirror, look ahead. Look in the right mirror, look ahead. Is it safe to move over?
It is, yeah.
That's a start, gently moving over. Excellent. Ease off that gas. We're going to go all the way around that roundabout and back up this way, okay?
Okay.
So it's fourth exit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right? That's it. Easy. Going all the way back that way. To the right hand lane, as soon as we're going right. Slow it down a little bit. Look there. Make a decision. Stay on the inside lane for me. That's it. Nice and easy. Keep it moving. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. That's it. Beautiful. Over that blue car. That's it. Well done. Take your time. You started to calm down a little bit now?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that was a bit exciting, wasn't it?
It was. I think what it is for me, I get confused with directions a lot.
Okay. Now look at the sign. Which direction is Carnarvon?
Straight ahead.
Not telling you which way to go. You know which way to go. Okay.
That's it.
Now then, the usual routine on the approach to roundabouts is. That's it. Well done. Do it. There we go. Nice and easy. Take your time. So you can pop a left indicator on now. Stay in the left lane. Stay in the left lane. That's it. Pop the indicator back on. There we go. We could indicate early there because there is no left turn, okay?
Okay.
It's only an exit from the A55. Now then, more roundabouts.
Yep.
Roundabouts, roundabouts, roundabouts. Probably the most difficult thing to learn is roundabouts.
I've always hated them, yeah.
There's so much to do on the approach to a roundabout. You've got to figure out where you're going, where we're going, what lane to be in, what speed to be in. You need to figure out where everybody else is going on the roundabout, and you need to try and count the junctions or the exits on your way around as well. Yeah? You need to be looking at signs, cars, road markings, everything all at once, okay?
Okay.
So the approach to the roundabout is super important. We're going to take our time. Do you want me to talk you through it?
Yes, please.
We're going right to the roundabout.
Okay.
There's the sign there. Check your centre mirror. Don't touch no pedals now. Come off everything. The speed will start coming down. Nice. Don't touch no pedals. Right, gently brake now for me. And do a 1, 2. Indicate right. Slowing it down. Bringing that speed down, down, down. It's getting closer. Down into second gear for me. Have a little look over there. Look where you're going. Have a little look over there. You can tell he's going to banker. That's even though he hasn't got an indicator on. There we go. Beautiful. We did everything on nice and slowly on the approach.
Where are we coming off?
Third exit, that's 1. That's number 2. So it's the next one we want, yeah? So left mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, and again, and again. Left lane. Beautiful. Nice. Bringing that speed up for me. Up into third gear. Nice and easy. Now then, we came up this way earlier. We're following the signs for Conway, okay?
Okay. Conway.
Conway. Right then. I'll talk you through it, okay?
Okay.
Stay near, nice and easy. This is a nice speed. Okay, we're looking for signs and road markings, okay?
Okay.
So normally if we're going right at the roundabout, which lane do you need?
Left, yeah?
The right.
Oh, right, sorry.
Off the gas, look at the sign, Conway, it's the third exit, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, slow it down, and into second gear, get it, see how it says Conway on the floor?
Yeah.
Slow it down, take your time. Where's he going? We can tell where he's going, and we can tell where the white car's going. Look at where you're going. Nice and gentle, nice and gentle, nice and gentle. That's it. And left mirror. Just make sure there's nobody in the outside lane before committing, yeah? If you were to see a motorbike or something there, what would you do?
Slow down, yeah.
Go all the way around the roundabout back again?
Yeah.
We're going straight ahead of the roundabout. Last time you went left, okay? Slow it down, we're going straight ahead. Slow it down, look at the arrows. You've got two choices, left or straight ahead. Slow it down, look over there, look at where you're going. Have to look at the road markings. That's it. Left lane. Now, left mirror, left indicator. Stay in your lane. Don't take a shortcut. There's no straight lines on a roundabout. It's all a roundabout, yeah? These big roundabouts with more than one lane, it's really important that you stay in your lane. Don't take shortcuts. Just because you can see your exit over there doesn't mean you can do a straight line towards it.
Yeah.
There's no straight lines on a roundabout, is it? No?
Because you couldn't do that in a wagon anyway.
What's it called? It's called a roundabout, yeah?
That's it. So you've got to go round it.
And around the roundabouts. No square roundabouts that I'm aware of.
Well, it wouldn't make sense calling it a roundabout as a square, would
No,
it?
it's called a roundabout. This is an awkward roundabout, okay? We're following the sign for Bangor. What does it say there? What does it say on the floor?